Hi friends, last class we have discussed how to create the model for the product schema and uh, and we have created the standard structure for the response and standard structure for the error. Using this structure we are going to produce the response and error messages. Using this structure we can produce the response message, and using this error API error message you can produce the standard error messages. And we also did the product schema. Using this, today we are going to implement the upload, how to upload the image into the Cloudinary. First, we are going to open the cloudinary.com. It is a Cloudinary website, www.cloudinary.com. In this, sign up for the free. First, I am signing with my Google account. Continue. It will take a few seconds to open, and we are going to study the multer also. npm.js.com. In this, multer. Multer is a one type of technique or library for the uploading the image from the our API to database DB. Uh, in this, okay, multer. Okay, here multer is a Node.js middleware for handling the a multi-path form data, which is a primarily used for the uploading the files. It is written on the top of the busy boy for maximizing maximum efficiency. Multi is not process any form which is a not multi-path node, multi-path and multi-part form data. Actually, it is used to save the like store the our form data like not form data. It will store our image files or like any files like file data into the DB. In this, from there, I'm going to store into the Cloudinary. First, I'm going to push the using using Multer. I'm going to push the image to the data backend services like backend server. From there, I'm going to push the uh, Cloudinary. Go to the get started. In this get started, first thing is like set up your work environment. First, we are going to install the Cloudinary. Go to the project setup or terminal here. The in which local cd. I'm in the project only. In npm install Cloudinary. Later, come to the website, like configure the Cloudinary, copy this one, go to the project folder. In the utils, I'm going to create one file called Cloudinary. I'm going to create one services, or you can call it as utils also, cloudinary.js. In this, I'm going to paste the what I have copied from the website. Instead of taking the directly dynamical hard coding this, I'm going to take from the npm like cloudinary cloudinary. What is this? Cloudinary cloud name. Next one, cloudinary API key. Next one, cloudinary. What is the next one? Cloudinary API secret. API secret. Copy from here. Remove this one, not required. And save the file. Save this one also. Before saving, go to the constants, comma, cloudinary. From here, I can, or you can copy from the constants, cloudinary API key, cloudinary API secret. Or you can copy paste from the environment like this. Copy paste, copy, paste. Save this constant file. Come here and import the cloudinary, cloud name, cloudinary API key, cloudinary API secret. Let's remove this one and place that one cloudinary cloud name, cloudinary API key, cloudinary API secret. After this, come to the once again this website cloudinary management console and upload your first asset. Like if you want to upload the like image to the image from the backend services to the this cloudinary portal, we are going to use this node using the node.js service, node.js backend technology. We are going to upload that. That's why if you want to upload using the Python, you can use the Python or PHP, you can use Java, you can use this one Ruby or .NET like this. Different programming languages or different technologies. There is a code is available. Here using the Node.js. That's why copy this one or copy here. Click on this one. Come to the our project. Here see cloudinary.uploader.upload function. In this I'm going to write give instead of here I'm going to give the our file name, like which file name. First we are going to write the function here, upload URL or upload image URL, upload image file async. Actually it is async. I'm giving local file or local file. In this I'm going to write this one first, copy and cut and try catch. I'm going to write the try catch block. Actually, before writing this one, I'm commenting this. I'm going to check the whether file contains any data or not. For that, if file is empty, return null. If file is empty, return null. Then, if the file is not empty, then upload to the cloudinary. Upload to the cloudinary. Here we are going to write the this here local file. After this, instead of this public, I'm removing these properties. Resource type. Resource type is I'm taking as auto for the any file I'm accepting. That's why I'm mentioning here auto. Instead of the function writing here, going to write the I'm going to write the this one as a await. Actually, this will return the this will return the promise. I'm going to write here response. From this response, if you see here, if you make a console here, actually, if you observe the here promise like upload API response, we will get after uploading. After upload completion, we will get the response. If you want that, you can make it console file upload URL response dot here. It is a URL, I think, public resource secure URL. Okay, or return the response. I'm returning the response. In the response or any crashes occurs, return null. Return null. Null. Here, one thing we are going to use here, import fs from fs module. There is a file having the local directory. There is file having the local. There is a file having the local directory. We are going to remove that file. Remove means unlink. Remove async. Remove sync. Remove sync using path is local file only. We are going to remove if any error is occurs, or if you want to remove here also fs dot unlink sync local file name. After completion of this code written, we have implemented the upload file image file, export default upload image file, upload image file. After completion of this, go to the middlewares. Here in the middleware, we are going to create one file called Malta. If you go to the one second browser, go to the Malta. Here Malta we are going to use for the uploading the image from the our local system or any system to backend services. From this backend services to Cloudinary, we are going to use the Cloudinary as a service, like Cloudinary service. For that, first we are going. That's why I have written the Cloudinary. After that, I'm go for the uploading the to the backend. I'm going to use the Malta as a service. There is a different services are there. Or if you see this npm JS, it is a Express file uploader also there. Express file upload. This one also there. This one also one service for the uploading from uploading to the backend. Simple Express middleware for the uploading files. This one also we using this also we can upload the files, and a formidable also there. npm JS formidable think this one module passing for the data for especially for the file uploads. Okay, see Node.js module for the passing form data especially for uploads. This one also one file uploads and express file upload also and Malta also. Compared to this one, Malta is very efficient for the uploading the files. First thing we are going to install this one npm install hyphen save and Malta. Copy and go to the terminal. npm install hyphen save multer. After this usage, like usage means we are going to first import the multer or multer in the there is a note okay, like this, like upload dot single file and author, like it is the name of the image from which name we will get the image, that is the name here. We are going to, if we go to the here, I'm going to write the multer first, multer dot middleware dot js. From here first I'm going to import import multer from multer. First I'm going to create one storage using multer dot disk storage. If you go to the certain there is a API here. We want that folder to which file has been saved. This one and file name, the name of the file within the destination. This one, these two we are going to configure in the storage here, disk storage, using the disk storage only. No, in this we are going to write the destination. Destination. There's the three things it is contains. One is the request, comma file, comma cb callback. Okay, cb of null, comma, there is a one thing here we are going to upload temp of uploads. By actually callback, it is having the first thing is the error or null. Second one is the destination. Destination means in the which folder we are going to upload the file. That's why I'm going to create here one public directory. For that, I'm going to create a new folder, public. In that, I'm going to create public directory. In that, I'm going to create images. Here also, I'm going to mention the public slash dot public. I think so. The public slash images. Next one is file name, request, comma, file, comma, cv. In this also cv null. If you forward this cv callback, here we will get the error or null or file name. File name I'm going to give the uh, file dot original name. There is a attribute called property called original name. I'm going to give here. Next, const uploads equal to multer of storage. I'm directly writing. You can write like this also. Storage column storage also, but same name we can use the directly storage. You will automatically take the storage column storage. We are going to export this one. Export default uploads. Export default uploads. That files that which files we are uploading from the multer, it will store here. Like store the public images. If we try to execute, we are going to the product.routes in the create product. Before this, we are going to writing the multer. For that, upload floats dot single of image URL. If you see here, where is that? Mm, okay, models. We go to the models image URL we are uploading. Confusion here. Close all this one, and once again open the product controller. Here you will see the where it is uploaded. Request dot file. You will able to see here. You're able to see here that file. If you go to the here npm start the server npm start. I want to terminate this one npm run dev. I'm going to start using the development. The DB connection is successful. Server is running in the 6774. Uh, go to the Thunder client. In this, create a one request. I think in the collections we have create request or create product is there. Create in the create product where we are going to upload in the body, not in the JSON, in the form. I think in the form and code. This is the task to upload image URL files. Okay. So here here I will upload image URL. I can uncheck this one. Select here in the Thunder client. Once again, I am explaining in the Thunder client. Come to the in the collections. Already I have the create product request. In the body in this column first column query headers and auth body test and pre-run in the body section we have the JSON XML test and a form and form encode. In the form we have the checkbox called files for uploading the files. Can you check and here use the image URL. Here select the image. I'm selecting the some dummy image from the downloads. Okay, I'm uploading a screenshot. Okay, send the data. Okay, we got this one. Open the console. Okay, if you see the console, why it is a observe? Why we getting the console? Uh, in the product.controller.js we have here after uploading the image we will get the here controllers. In these controllers I have mentioned the console.log here request.file. In the file it is sure in the file it will contain the data about the file, like it will data about the file, like what data contains and field name is image URL, and image original name means like what is the original name of image. If you go to the here, open the new tab, if you see the where is the image is there, screenshot. This is the original name, and like see 0bb6. If you go to the console once again, and like if you go to the once again terminal here 0bb6.jpg, like what is the file name, jpg file name, encoding and 7 bits, and meme type is image slash jpg. Destination, in which destination it is storing, like dot slash public slash images. In this destination it is storing. If you go to the once again vs code terminal, go to the public slash images, here that image is stored. Like this is the that is the screenshot of the user, and path is this one. Okay, we will do some modification in the code of the multer, and we will try for the just instead of this dot I'm going to remove, and remove this one for 1 second checking purpose. I have removed the image. make sure that what folder structure you are giving here must and should give here also in the root folder. Public slash images, same name you have to mention here also, public slash images. Once again go to the, or you can restart the server also, but no need. It is a server is running properly. Go to the under client and create product in the browser. In the like here, I'm removing this one, and once again write the image URL. Choose file. Choose file. I'm choosing the file from the some other place. Not same file. I'm going to upload images. Okay, upload this one. I, there are no such file or directory open. Okay, you will able to observe that no such file or directory open. It is taken from the root directory. That's why I have mentioned the dot. If you go to the multi.middleware.js, make it as a dot public dot image dot public slash images. Once again save and go to the Thunder client. If you see the here also once again refresh, refresh, and open the public slash images also no images. If you after saving go to the Thunder client and create product. Click on this one. We got the again data. Go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. See here. Field name is image URL and original name is this one and name type destination. We have did the product image. If you go to the like product.controller.js, here we are getting the image ID. If you want to upload the image into the URL, you can take directly upload. Wait, upload upload image file. Upload image file. Import upload. Upload. Why it is not showing from dot slash utils slash cloudinary.js. Why it is showing error means we have to mention here async. Yeah, we have to take this image, upload image file from the cloudinary.js. Here I have imported why it is okay. Once a copy and go to the product.controller.js. Copy this one. After copying, I'm going to mention request.file. Yeah, I'm directly passing the request.file. We can leave it this console. After console.url. Cloudinary, cloudinary object. You can call it a cloudinary object. You can call it image object. Image object. Image object. It is a cloudinary object. For the identification purpose, I have mentioned here is the image of object, and it is a after uploading this we got the response like it is a URL response. From this URL response, we are consoling like we are going to printing this one. Once again, remove this one, delete this one, and go to the Thunder client, create product here. In this, I'm giving the image URL. Why I have given here image URL only. In the uploading also, you see the it is the product not here. In the product routes.js file, I have given here image URL. If you give here other name like image means it should be image only like product.routes.image only. Or if you give that here file means here file name is file means it should be file only. Like what name you are giving here while uploading here, that name only that should be matched. That is upload that single and image URL that should be matched. After giving this, I have saved all files and send. The connection requires server. It is cannot find the imported. In the Cloudinary only, I have mentioned here. We are .js. Okay, we go to the here. Okay, server is running. I think once refresh the all thing, no image is available here. Okay, if you go to the Thunder client, go to the create product and upload the image. Can delete. Then once again, let's freshly upload image URL. Choose file name. Send. Is undefined. Product dot I think I have to mention the file dot path. I have to mention here request dot file dot what should I have mentioned here local file path. Okay, once go to the this thing I have to mention. path. Okay, while uploading, we got the answer. Okay, through errors only we are going to learn some more. This June. Okay, once again go to my mistake is like request dot file dot path. Okay, we have to upload the in this upload image file. We have to pass the request not request dot file name request dot file. We have to pass the request dot file dot path. Only path we are going to pass. After passing path, not enter object, or you can pass object, but here you can destructure from here. Here you can destructure. I think it is not required. Okay, leave it this one, not a problem. Here you can destructure, but we are passing only the path. That's why we have mentioned the request.file.path. Okay, server is running. Go to the Thunder client and create product. And once again, if you want to remove this and give the image URL and give the click on the choose file and choose the file from E section photos and some file choti file. Okay, it is taking a long time. Why it is taking? I think we have to give the next also. Okay. Oh, we got the response after saving the file. You see, go to here. Uh, you are able to see while a first image is uploaded to the backend. This is the image object. For identification purpose, I have given image object and it is the cloudinary object. First image is uploaded to the backend from the front end to backend. After sending the backend, I have console this like file like a local file. After uploading to the image, if you observe the file upload URL, it is coming from the here like where is cloudinary.js. First one is this one like local file path. After uploading to the URL like uploading to the cloudinary, we will get the file upload URL is response.url. That is this one like it is a URL from the cloudinary. If you copy this one and paste in the browser, open the browser and open the tab. See, you are able to see the image. This is the image, and if you want to see the entire object from this response, we will get the entire object. We have written the response, entire response we are getting. From this response, we are in this product.controller.js, we are getting this response. Directly, I'm passing. Directly, I'm consoling this, like printing this one, displaying this one. That's why we are we are getting the entire object. If you want only print the URL, you can print. If you want to print the secure URL, you can print. Like if you which one if you want, like you can print using this one, like object dot like URL dot of URL or URL dot secure URL or URL dot folder name or URL dot original file name. This is the things like this we are going to upload use the multer and cloudinary to upload the files from our local to the backend and backend to the uh, like some database like a cloud database. It will store the our images. In the next class we are going to write the logics for the create product and update product uh, and get all the products and get single product and delete product. One thing I'm going to show like how to validate the data. Okay, directly here only we can validate the data. We are going to pass the data. Right? How means the readme data I'm going to explain here. While response, while requesting the data, I'm going to send the data like this. Like name, product name is fashion or some men's cloth. We take is men's cloth name and description. Description. What is the schema? One second. See. What a part of image. Name, description, and a quantity and image URL. These three things four things we are going to see. Description like men's. This is the item of men's cloth. Next quantity two shirts or two pants. You can take image URL. Image URL. I'm passing. This is the blob or a file. File I'm going to upload. Like this, we are going to pass or using the form data. Form data. We are going to pass this data. We have already seen here. In this, we are going to pass like and uh, name and a description and the description quantity and image URL. Image URL I have written here. If we have the data means right here. Quantity 2 and this is the item of men's cloth. Men's cloth. This is the men's cloth. If you send this one, we will get the data. Why I'm getting this same data? That's I haven't written any logic for retrieving the data. We will see in the next class how to how to take the data from the body, like how to take the data from the body and how to store the data into the database like product DB, and how to update and how to delete and how to get the data also. We are going to see these four things in the next class, and we are going to wind up this session. That's all friends. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.